shea butter mixture again. Inside of it here is olive oil, castor, and herbal oil here, and my liquefied coconut oil. And I'm getting ready to heat up some shea butter to add to it. There's also some vitamin E in here, and I'm heating up my shea butter right now. So pan here, water inside to heat it up, and going to just nicely liquefy this shea butter and then add it to it, and that's it. It gives you just the right amount of consistency to add to your hair, and your hair will be just so smooth, like you just blow dried it, but very moisturized for the winter. You can use it all year round, and all year round you only use it little, but when you use this for the winter, hair just be extremely moisturized, just milky, beautiful, soft hair. So yeah, my shea butter mix now, and I'm just gonna mix it into here. So just gonna take it out of here. It's not too hot. Ooh. Mix it in there and cool it down. So I'm gonna let it just cool down in the fridge. I'm gonna mix it a little bit too. And this right here is gonna turn out really nice and creamy, and it's not gonna be difficult to apply to the hair. And I'm just gonna sit it in the fridge. Right in the fridge, in the corner, in the back. Just let it sit. I usually put a top on it, but today I'm not going to. So yeah, don't really have to, just as long as it gets solid. My shea butter is done. And then after it like kind of melts a little bit, but if you can see, look how easy that is to smooth onto my hands, and that's because it's mixed with the coconut oil. It's not hard and sticky. So this is the stuff that I use, and this stuff straightens your hair. You don't even have to blow dry it. You put this stuff on your hair, it penetrates deep. So this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until the next video, like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.